Hello, beautiful people. It's me, Carolyn, coming to you from MC Beaters. And I just wanted to show you how I have organized my eBay orders, okay, and Poshmark. So to begin, I actually have this shelving, which I'll be using for my craft fair. So everything from my craft fair that I sell go in these. This way, when I go to my craft fair, I just put it inside here, open it up, display. Easy peasy. And this will be displaying my soaps. However, for now, I am using it to store, all my jewelry. So I mainly sell jewelry on all the platforms. So what I do is I packaged everything in bubble wrap and self-sealing bags, and I labeled, like for here, for instance, I have Leah Sophia, Premier Design, American Eagle, Lauren Conrad, Fossil, all that jewelry is in here. In this one, I have New York and Company, Monet, Carol Lee, some no-names, Swarovski, Buckley, all that. And again, everything, if you look inside, I have everything packaged. It's ready to go. So I have 4 bags of those. And in this bag, or these bags rather, these are lots, or sets. These are lots and sets. So this is, my dog is over there making noise. This is a lot of watches. And I have some sets or lots in here, all together and numbered. So that's how I have these. I also wanted to show you some of the new packaging stuff I purchased. I bought these bubble mailers, and it has the bubble inside. I also have my plastics. These are 10 by 13 Ziploc bags. And these are actually bubble pouches. So I could use those. Because I really do make sure that when I send my stuff, it has least amount of possibility of breaking or coming with the stone coming out. I got some new ribbon tulle, green. And I also got some more Jilson Roberts tissue paper. Now I've been using this one because of the doves, and I like it regardless if it has a Christmas theme. And this one, this also has a Christmas theme, but I like the pattern, and I got these on closeouts. These were 250 pages for $32, and they're 20 by 30. Usually they're over $57, I think. And then I got this one. Look at these donuts, so cute. And yes, Christmas theme, don't care, closeout price, and it just makes really pretty packaging. And then I got these little baggies, and they say thank you. And I bought Scrunchies. I got a pack of 64 Scrunchies, so everyone gets one. In addition, I have, let me see, makeup pad removers. I think I have in these. Yeah, I believe so. It's a makeup pad remover. Hold on, let me take one out. Okay. And it's these. They're Zia facial wipes, and they remove makeup and impurities, rose hip with essential oil, and these smell so, so nice. So I figured giving these, as well as a scrunchie, as a little thank you for your purchase. Okay. Also, these are the bubble pouches. So, for instance, I got an order for this loft necklace. This, I believe this is either J. Crew or Chico's. It's a Chico's pendant. And this bright-in bracelet. So they were already pre-packaged because I've done that already. I spent all of Sunday doing that. And then I just put them into these protective sealers, which can be reused. And then they will go into their bubble pouches. And then I will wrap them up with any of the mini tissues with the ribbon and put them into my bubble sealers, which I will show you how that will look. Okay, so I set everything up in like a little assembly line like I always do with my order, my bubble pouch, my tissue paper, my ribbon, my mailer, and my little thank you. And I did that for all of them. And I did change up the tissue paper just because I'm super excited to use my new tissue paper. So everything's going to look the same. Okay, so this is how the pocketbook looks. Nice big scrubbing paper. Okay, so here is how this one looks. This is a smaller one. I think this was my Brighton bracelet. I think so, but this is how this packaging looks. So cute. I can't even. Okay, this bow is like ridiculously large, but they can reuse it if they want. And this is how this one turned out. And my last one. Now I'm going to put these all in the mailbox with the flag up to be delivered for tomorrow.